Why did Fastly lower its revenue forecast? Okay, the biggest customer is TikTok, the popular video sharing platform that's beloved by kids, but hated by the Trump administration. Over the summer, the TikTok business seemed like a liability for Fastly because Trump wanted to shut them down. Although eventually they reached a deal with Oracle, and we assumed maybe the problem would go away. But it turns out the uncertain geopolitical environment has reduced Fastly's revenue from TikTok, at least in the third quarter. And by the way, Facebook's got a competing product, too. Given that Fastly reports its full results in about 3 weeks, I'm betting the quarter obviously is going to be ugly. Otherwise, they wouldn't have had to pre-announce like this. But maybe it's temporary. Maybe it's already resolved. Look, I'm not saying Fastly's done going down. The stock's very expensive, even before the negative pre-announcement. At the close, it was selling for 32 times next year's sales forecast, which is probably among the 5 most expensive stocks that I follow. I said this morning it has a terrible set of traders in it. People have no idea what it does and don't even care. I said that they just knew that it goes higher, which is why they liked it, or knew it goes higher until tonight. Fastly's still got excellent growth. It's still rapidly approaching profitability. It's still beloved by its clients. But now it has to suffer through a series of downgrades and an exit by people who know nothing about it more than a terrible nickname. Not kidding. So I think you have to be optimistic. If the stock really gets slammed again tomorrow, maybe you can start buying it in the weakness. These stocks never recover in one day. Never. Never. On a pre-announcement, they don't. Sometimes you have to wait a full quarter for it to start recharge. But it's been slammed down the 70s or 80s before, and it's bounced. I wouldn't be surprised if that could happen again, although it might go down more before it starts rebounding. Here's the bottom line. Even after this brutal negative pre-announcement, the Fastly story is pretty much intact. If the problem is really just TikTok, it can make a comeback. The fact is that this is a wild trader that was due for a big sell-off anyway, because as I said this very morning, there was too much ignorant money in Fastly. Now the stock has been significantly de-risked. The ignorant money is fleeing like rats on a sinking ship, and I actually like it more. If it keeps falling and you can get it in the 70s, maybe you start a position and get ready for some stabilization.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.